Hello YouTubers, Uncle Pythagoras signing in. We are still continuing with practicing from the past question paper, the paper 2, which was written in September, which is Northwest. Paper 2, which was written September 2022. Question 8. They say DE is the diameter of the second having center O. The center is O. Points A, B, and C lie on the second. That means they are within the second. AC is parallel to DC. AC is parallel to DE. AF equals to FC. AF is equals to FC. That means this is equal to this. Let's use two lines. Right? This one is equal to that. Then ODC is X. ODC is X. Question 8.1 say calculate the size of F2. The size F of 2, this is F2 here. They want us to calculate this size. So we are going to say the solution. (8.1). Starting with the statement. And come with the reason. Right. To calculate F2, if we check F2 here, there is a line coming straight from the center to the circumference. It is called the radius. There is AC, which is a chord. AC is a chord. There is a theorem that if the radius bisects AC into half, given that AF is equals to FC, it means that OB is perpendicular to AC. That means that F2 is 90 degrees. Let's write that. We say that F2 is equals to 90 degrees. The reason for that is OB perpendicular to AC, meaning that radius perpendicular to the chord. You have the 2 marks. You are set 2 marks. We come to question 8.2. 8.2.2 is going to be 8.2.2. 8.2 says determine in terms of X, given reasons, the sizes of the following angles. 8.2.1. 8.2.1. 8.2.1 says O2, find the size of O2 for 2 marks. Let's come and check O2. O2 is right here, and if you can check this O2 is in the given angle D, which is X. So we use this triangle ODC to calculate O2, because they say we must use O2 in terms of X, right? Right, we'll start by saying consider triangle ODC. Angle D is equal to angle C is equal to X. What is that? OC is a radius from the center to the circumference. OD is a radius from the center to the circumference. That tells us that this triangle ODC is an isosceles triangle with base angles equal. Therefore, OC is equal to OD radii. They are all radius. Now we know that this angle is equal to X as well. So we can say in triangle ODC we are going to say angle O2 plus angle D plus angle C is 180 degrees. We cannot go and write that reason there. So we erase this part 1, we go down further. Just skip the line, write it here. Angle O2, this one, angle O2 plus angle C plus angle D. O2 plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. The sum is there is in that one. The sum of triangle equals to 180 degrees. Now they say we must determine O2 in terms of X. Now O2 plus X is equal to 180 degrees. That means O2 plus 2X O2 plus 2X is equal to 180 degrees. Right? We take this one along with this same statement and reason. We said O2 plus 2X is equal to 180 degrees. Then O2 is equal to 180 degrees minus 2X. Then we have proven, or we have expressed O2 in terms of X. We have expressed O2 in terms of X. Now 8, 2, 2 for B. 8, 2, 2. We must express B in terms of X as well by giving all the reasons. Right, we come here at this, we want B. If you can look at B, B is right here. B is in triangle AFB. Right? If it is in AFB, we can start by saying, right, we need to find, okay, F2 we have proven that is 90 degrees, right? Then we must go on and prove that this angle here and this angle here, what are their relations? Then we must find O1. I believe we must find O1 in terms of X as well. Now, before we start to look at O1, We know that in triangle ODC here, we have that C is equals to D. We have proven that, and C1 is X, C is X, D is X. We have done that. Then O2 plus D plus C must be equal to 180 degrees. We have done that as well. Now we want to see DOF. DOF. See this angle, DOF is this angle here. And this angle here. Let's write it down. This angle here. Where is my chalk? This angle here. And this angle here. They are both 90 degrees, right? We have proven that F2 is 90 degrees. This one, we don't know it, but we are going to find out the relations between the two. Let's say angle F2 is equals to angle BOD. What is the reason for that? They are, which is 90 degrees. They are co-interior angles. For what condition? For AD, for ED is parallel to AB. It was given. AC, not AB, AC. Right, come here with me. We have to prove that this is ED is given as parallel to AC. So if they are parallel, this angle here is equal to that angle here. This angle here is equal to that angle here because of the co-interior angles AC parallel to ED given here. AC parallel to DE. Now we know that O1 and O2 is 90 degrees. Right? We know that O1 and O2 is 90 degrees. Then we can come and say O1 plus O2 is equals to 90 degrees. O1 and O2 is BOD, by the way. This is BOD. Come, let's check with me. BOD is O1 and O2, which is equals to F2. Both equals to 90 degrees due to the parallelity of ED parallel to AC. Then this angle here is going to be co-interior with that angle. Right? We come and say we have O2. O2 has been calculated here. O2 is being calculated here. We can find O1. O1 plus O2, 180 degrees minus 2x is equals to O1 plus O2 is equals to 90 degrees. O1 plus O2 is 90 degrees here. This is the statement that we just made. O1 plus O2 is 90 degrees. So O1 plus O2 which is 180 minus 2x equals to 90 degrees. So we can find O1 as equals to 90 degrees minus into 180 degrees minus 2x, which is 90 degrees minus 180 degrees. Negative times positive 180 is negative 180. A negative times negative 2x is positive 2x. Now we have 2x 90 minus 180 is minus 90. So O1 is 90, is 2x minus 90. This is O1. Let's check our O1. O1 is right here. And O1 is right here at the center. What about A? A is at the circumference. Why are we looking for this angle? So that we can find this angle, then we sum total this one plus this one plus this one, which is going to give us our 90 degrees. Then we find B, because they want us to find B. But we cannot find B without finding A first. Let's find A first. A Right, let's find A here. We say that angle O1 is equals to twice angle A. What is that? There is a theorem that says angle at the center equals 2 times angle at the circumference. This is A2, A is in the circumference, A is in the circumference, O1 is in the center. Let's come and check that from the picture or the drawing. This is O1. O1 is in the center, A is in the circumference. This is twice this, or this is half this. That's why we are relating A. Now we can find the value of A. A is going to be O1 divided by 2. So we find A as O1 divided by 2. Well, our O1 is this value. Our O1 is this value. So we come here to say A is equals to O1, 2x minus 90 divided by 2. It's O1 divided by 2. Then our A is 2 divided by 2, it's 1. 1 times x is x. 90 divided by 2 is 45. Now A is x minus 45 degrees. Now we can come and find the value of B here. We can find the value of B here. We know this angle, we know this angle, we don't know this angle. Then we can represent this angle in terms of x. So we say A plus B plus F equals to 180 degrees. We come and say A plus B plus A plus B plus F, right? A plus B plus F is equals to 180 degrees. Reason for that, sum of triangle equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Now A is known, B is not known, F is known. F is 90. So we are going to say B is equals to 180 degrees minus A is what we just found here, x minus 45. x minus 45 degrees plus f is 90 degrees. We have calculated that before. Is the angle perpendicular bisector of the radius and the chord. It's 90 degrees. F is right here. Then our chord comes to become a what? A C. Comes to become a B. From center O to F to B. So F is right here. We have F1, F2, F1, F2. So F is right here. So our B is here, and our A is here. Our F is here, our B is here. Now we are going to find what? It's 180 minus A which is x minus 45 plus F 90, right? Which is going to be 180 degrees minus x. Negative times negative is positive 45. Negative times positive is negative 90. Right. 90. 180 minus 90 is 90. 90 plus 45 is what? Is 135. It's 135 minus x. So B is 135 minus x. We have represented B in terms of x. Now that is it for today, my YouTubers. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. Go and revise with me with all the videos that we have done so far, and you will be ready for sitting for your exam. Good luck for your paper that you are going to write, paper 2, and I wish you all the best. And do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Uncle Pythagoras signing out. Have a good day.